Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing PC Building Simulator 2 once again. Well, yeah, whatever. We're gonna be playing this game. Um, yeah. So I know I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. So my reasoning for that is that I've been busy with school and well, I end school on Monday this week Monday, and I have a bunch of tests since I live in New York. If you guys didn't know that, and in New York we have a test called the Regents, and I gotta take it. I gotta take it this year and next year, and then I will be fine. But it is almost the summer for me, and that means I could probably upload daily, and that will mean more videos posted. So yeah. I just wanted to get that clear out, and yeah, so my apologies for not uploading for 2 weeks, but today we will be doing another video. Well, I'll be doing another video. So today my goal is to make a little PC called a sleeper build. So if you guys don't know what a sleeper like PC is, it's basically like a PC that looks really old on the outside, but like it's like really advanced on the inside. That means like we're gonna have like a case that won't show a lot and like look really old, but we will make it like hella like really powerful on the inside. So the most important part is probably the case, since if you have a case that doesn't look really good, then you don't think the piece is gonna look cool. So I'm thinking we use like a Be Quiet, like one of these cases, since it looks like one of those office cases and it's just completely black so you can't see on the inside. And I'm thinking that one, or we could like or we could get one of these wood cases, but like there's like a piece of wood here, and that in my opinion that just makes it look like a little bit cooler. So I say we just get the first one, but hold on. I'm thinking we get the most expensive like case and everything, but like it looks really cheap. So let me just find a case that looks like it's like dark outside, but like it's really nice on the inside. And I'm seeing this Fantex N2 Pro 2, and this one it looks like a PC you find in your school. Like you probably like see this in your office or something, and yeah, so I'm gonna buy it. I think I might have all the parts already for the build. I think this is the case. Yep. So yeah, it looks like a case you find like in your office. Like you have air supply and all, but it doesn't look too special. So I wanna add to it like right before I like start building it, and I'm gonna just start customizing the outside. So I'm thinking we get like a brownish color, and yeah. So this looks about good. It's kind of hard, and this looks like poop in my opinion. But I'm trying to get like a grayish, like no, like kind of light brown. I think that'd be better. So um, definitely orange. Yeah, this would be a lot better in my opinion. It looks about the same, but like it looks slightly different, I guess. I hope so. And yeah, this looks it looks like a regular case. Nothing too special happened. Um, I could give it like a wrap so it looks like a kid used it or something. How do I leave this? Okay, like maybe add a more LED sticker, since this looks like something like a kid would put on it, and something like something a little kid wants to put on their PC so it looks a bit cooler. I think that's the theme I'm going with. And let's remove all of these bays. And I just want to like have like crazy fans, no RGB though, since that's gonna give it off. And yeah, let's just do it. And I'm thinking we use the new Intel Core Ultra. I feel like it might not like perform the same, might not be like the exact same like price, but it definitely is more advanced, as in it's newer and it's better for AI, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, let's put a Ultra 7. Actually no. Since I'm doing this, I'm just gonna ball out and just get a Ultra 9 real quickly. And I'm gonna make sure that I have the like enough like a CPU cooler, because this will be a hot PC. Ultra 9, and there you go. So you know the deal, we're gonna get like a 4090 crazy power, like a regular power supply. We don't need a crazy one, but just one that works with this. And I'm just realizing that this case is massive. Like, it definitely looks like the type of case you would use if your school wanted to keep the PC for a while and not run into any thermal issues. And I'm using the reference as a school since I go to a school and it's what I see. So that's why I'm saying that. But I got RAM for this as well. 32 gigs, DDR5, 6200 mega transfers, and we're gonna have 128 gigs. You know, we're gonna have to have as much storage as possible since you gotta have a baller PC, you know. So I don't know why I can't open this. Okay, let me just remove this real quickly. See if that helps, since this won't open. There we go. So it had to go upwards, and you know, if we were doing this in real life, I could just like pull that thing out and just snatch it. But it is what the game is, so it is what it is. That's what I meant to say. And we could vertically mount the GPU. So did I run out of 40? No. Let's vertically mount it so that you can barely see this, since there's gonna be the AIO here blocking like the name, and this is for better airflow, even though it's just gonna be blowing at this wall. Hold on, let me make sure I could put the panel back on here. And it's like touching the panel, but it's whatever. Let's see, we got GPU, we got all the main things in now. Now we just go for power supply. No RGB, I said. So just a regular 1000 watt power supply. This should be plenty for this 4090, which it's definitely not plenty, but it's the first thing I saw and I got it. So oh well. And you know, I obviously have to, I did not mean to remove those covers, but I have to um I have to get the fans in here. That's what I meant to say. I had to get some regular fans, non-RGB, just really powerful though. Really powerful regular fans. Like these one, Be Quiet Silent Wings. And I should remove these since I just realized we got fans in here, and we definitely should, because more fans is slightly more performance, and we could use more performance. So this is a bit grueling, but it's whatever. I think I just ran out of fans. That's gonna be an issue. Let me just buy some real quickly. You know, I should have planned ahead a little bit, but I'm just winging it at this point. I could buy these. They seem a bit better. We got 22 fans here, and now we just put it in, and this PC should be pretty much like really low RGB, like bare minimum, and but like the performance is gonna be really good. And it's also gonna be pretty quiet since we have these Be Quiet fans, as it says in the name. So This should intake exhaust right there. And this PC looks so unfilled. It looks like the type of PC case that you would use if you had like water cooling and stuff. But like we don't have water cooling since um you don't want to like hear nothing whenever you listen to a what's it called, like a sleeper build. Like they're obviously gonna think like there's water in it, and like especially if they like pick up the PC, they're gonna be like, hey, why is it so heavy? So you just gotta like keep it like air space, I guess that's what you call it. But um yeah, so sleeper build, let me remove this. So we could turn this RGB off, and that's about it. So this is the PC. Let's get some benchmark. No, we're not gonna get any benchmarks in. Um, but it should get around 20,000, no, 25 to like 28,000 in 3D Mark. Uh, Cinebench we could do it since it's quick. 24 cores, 5.7 gigahertz. So slightly slower than the 14900K, but I think heat isn't as bad of an issue. And yeah, that's about it. Let me just change the light. Let me just change like this lighting to none. I should just change to music or static, and yeah, white, black. There we go. So bare minimum. You. It looks like the case that like a bunch of students used, and like the school like just has it sitting around after many years of use. So that's about the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and once again, I will be posting more over the summer after I finish all my region tests. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.